Alright, so you guys already know that the RTX 3070 kicks a whole lot of butt. But our friends at ASUS actually contacted the channel and said they have an interesting idea for a video. And that idea is to build an entire PC using all ASUS components, and yeah, I'm gonna do it blindfolded. And this is Rob from ASUS. He's gonna be watching, making sure I don't break his things. So...
And directing, and just making sure that he's actually building a PC properly.
That too. So I think let's just get into the build then. But first, let's just take a look at the things that are actually going to be going into the build. And the first part we'll be taking a look at is ASUS ROG Strix B550-E Gaming. I haven't tried the Strix version just yet, but I have tried the Tough. And if it's anything even close to that, then it's going to be pretty good. And then next up we have Seagate's 500 gig FireCuda 520, which is an NVMe PCIe 4.0 drive, which should help a little bit with the RTX 3070's PCIe 4.0 bandwidth. Then we've got a full 32 gigabyte kit of probably my favorite RAM ever, Corsair's Vengeance Pro CL16 3200. That's gonna look really, really good. And then of course we have the big headline of the entire show, ASUS's ROG Strix 3070, which I'm sure is gonna be pretty decent. And then we have next something...
But wait, there's more! To put everything inside,
jeez.
We have the ROG Strix Helios.
That's a lot more, I'd say. Holy crap, how big is that thing?
It's about this big.
Yay big.
It's about yay big.
And then cooling our 3600X we're gonna be using in this build is...
the Ryzen 240.
And then powering all of it is probably one of the coolest power supplies I've ever seen, because it has a little display on the side here. What is this called?
It's the ROG Thor 850W.
Very RGB, very modular, very powerful. So I think all that's left to do is to actually just start building this thing. Okay, fine. We're building a PC blind, at least I am. Let's hope I don't break anything. I believe, yeah, this is the motherboard box.
That's the motherboard box, yes.
All
So
right.
you can go ahead and open that, yes. See, he's even politely putting the box back together, blindfolded. I mean,
It's not for politeness.
who needs vision? How are you feeling? Your first challenge is almost upon you, where we have the CPU to install.
I'm feeling pretty confident that it's an AMD CPU.
Pop that over there.
If it was an Intel thing, that CPU would not be going back. May I have the CPU, sir?
Okay, so I'm going to hand it to you.
Put it like...
No. You're just gonna put your fingers out like claws. Okay, and okay, maybe not like that. Okay, there we go.
Alright.
And you can just drop in as is.
That's the top.
Yes.
No, you can't tell me how to drop it in.
Okay.
It has to be mixed up.
Okay.
See, I don't know now.
Okay, alright, not like that.
Wait, hold up.
Okay,
There it is.
so yes. But
I'm not gonna drop it in. I'm just gonna feel my way through. Okay,
gonna-
that's not the way.
No.
That's not the way.
Come on, you got this.
That's not the way. No? This feels like one of those USB situations. Hey! Pop that in.
There we go.
Next, let's bang out the RAM.
The RAM.
The RAM.
Blind before? Okay,
Yeah.
well, there you go. There's box and all. Okay.
Oh.
I mean, that was really easy.
I thought it was already out.
No, and that's what I said to you. Your job is to do everything blindfold.
Wait.
We like to call this the blind experience. Welcome to the blind show.
I'm not sure how PC that is.
PC.
This video was a mistake.
No, other side. There we go.
Okay, there it is.
Okay, so
There's
just
that. There's that. So it's just,
if you aren't aware, there's
Yep.
little notches you have to align.
yeah.
And if you
so
break the notches, you break your RAM stick. And I'm not allowed to help him, and I'm squealing.
No pressure at all.
And I'm squealing. That's not even close, but you're getting there.
Oh wait, no. This has. No, wait. That's not even my channel. Okay, just like my channel.
Yes?
I won't press down.
Yes.
Until I get a confirmation from you, because this is a beautiful kit of RAM.
So close. Have you aligned? No, you have not.
Really?
No.
Okay.
And I do believe there might be another major challenge
Oh no.
to your RAM being inserted. There we go.
I thought I wasn't getting any more hints.
I mean, sometimes you just can't help it, can you? Show your work, sir.
You can evaluate, but I don't think it's in.
That's what she said. And you would be correct.
It's
and,
too loose for that.
And yes, you have not only reversed your RAM stick, but you've reversed the slots that you got it into. So you were loose on the bottom, but you were stiff on the top. That's what she said.
I doubt that's what she said.
And hey! Okay, now you go click it in.
Oh.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Wait, where's the RAM? Oh, that is. I forgot we had one in there.
He forgot the past 10 minutes of challenging himself.
Exactly. Oh no.
I do believe you've almost got it, sir. You are. Hey! Now you have to click it in.
Woo! Alright. That is.
The two easiest
very
components
satisfying.
done. Woohoo!
Don't say that. Dang it.
What would you like to? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna direct this a little bit. So,
Okay.
I'm going to tell you that you have to now put in the NVMe. And
let me guess, your board has an M.2 shield.
Oh yes, it does.
Oh.
In fact, it has two, but I mean,
Oh,
we're only doing
fantastic.
one. We're only doing one drive, so you can just worry about the one shield.
I got something in my pocket for you.
Or are you just happy to see me?
Not see you, more like.
Wow, that's so rude. Okay, well for that you can take your own NVMe drive out the box.
No!
Okay.
What driver are we working with again?
It is the Firecuda 520 PCIe 4
Okay.
500 gig SSD
So
from Seagate.
that's a little tiny boy.
It's a little tiny boy.
Alright. Remember the stuff.
And I'm going to just hand you the drive like that, and you will have to align it yourself.
No one saw that. Am I even in the same realm?
You are close. You are close.
Hey!
Yay! Hey!
What the heck?
Hey!
That worked, right?
That works. That works. You're in. You're in.
Huh.
And it does a little seesaw action.
Okay. I'm not gonna do the little screw that holds it down. With motherboards
That's
like
okay.
this, it's just slap the friggin' heatsink on it. As soon as I can find it.
I was gonna be nice and give it to you, but I mean,
Do we even
he
want
even
to?
remembered the peel.
Do we even want to take the plastic off?
It's so satisfying.
Like, we can't turn this PC on yet because
I mean-
of NVIDIA's NDA. So.
I mean, and cut.
Whew.
Hey! Now, for the most favorite thing in the tech building community is how do you do your thermal paste?
Oh, easy.
How do you paste your thermals?
I'm blind, so I just squeeze and deal with the consequences.
I mean, you're not wrong, I guess.
Uh,
Cooling for the whole socket.
I'm squeezing.
I'm a squeezing.
Not sure if anything's happening, but I'm squeezing.
Something's happening and you're a squeezing. So
I'm not gonna feel to see if it's enough. So. Judging by your laugh.
I think you have enough.
Okay, that's definitely thermal paste done. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's perfect thermal paste done.
It's definitely one way to do thermal paste.
Now these I have. Oh yeah. I forgot there's thermal paste.
I was really hoping you would do that.
Okay, so we got that annoying little thing at the back as well, right?
Yes.
Does it come with it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. Of course.
Does that need to stay in place?
That does actually need to stay in place. Yes.
Wonderful! That means finding 4 holes. It's doing too many holes for me. I have found the hole. Everyone, I have found the hole. Right, so, we're on the CPU now.
We are indeed.
It seems like we're aligned. What? What?
It's the wrong bracket.
I knew it. Okay, so plan change. We're not going to be using the
Ryzen 240.
because we forgot the bracket. So instead, we're going to be using the stock cooler.
To be fair, we have the right bracket on. We just don't have long enough screws.
I hate these. Oh no, I hate them so much.
Yeah.
Now, I like to have my AMD logo at the top, so I can't feel the logo. Okay, I feel the bracket should be here somewhere.
Hey!
Did you get it?
That was tank.
Wow.
Oh, that was all tank. That was all tank.
Wait, hold up.
I just clipped it.
Oh, I just clipped it.
Oh, woo!
Hell yeah.
Secured.
Good job.
Yes.
Okay.
Build log 42. We have our RAM installed. We have our 3600 installed with the AMD cooler on top. So now, and we have our NVMe, of course. So now we need to move it into
The case.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So now you need to get the motherboard inserted correctly, close. And I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, okay, so you've got, there we go. Now you just need to get the IO shield in.
Yeah.
Put down.
And just go.
I'm gonna guide you for this a little bit. There we go.
Right,
Hey, yeah. And close. There. I think you're good.
Is it?
I think you're golden.
Hey. And it hooked in pretty well.
That is, indeed. Just got to make sure. So,
Well,
going a bit
I'm
down.
not even on the motherboard.
There we go. So
Okay,
there,
there's
I
a
think
hole.
you found a hole.
Found the hole. Okay. That's
Okay,
one
hey,
screw
he got
down.
one in. Friggin' A.
I'm sorry, but I'm not going to do all the screws. That's no. Okay, and next is the graphics card, but first we have to get it out of the box. So, and there we have it.
So-
So now time to actually install the thing.
Okay, but before we do,
Can I see it first?
you can see it first. Yes,
Yes.
I'll allow this one blindfold.
Yes. Wow.
Now,
Ooh, I think
I'll even put
I
on
think
some.
this definitely deserves a peel.
I-
That made it so much better.
Okay, now that you've had enough perving over the card, it's time for you to put your
No.
blindfold back on
Okay.
and for us to complete the build.
So,
Okay, so
may I have the card?
you have the card now.
Thank you, sir.
Now you need to place said card in said motherboard slot.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh.
we have conveniently taken out
Ooh, okay. That
two
makes,
slots for you.
that makes things a little easier. Now,
Just a tad.
where is the PCIe slot? This is like
This is-
surgery, man.
Before you
Yeah. I'm not gonna press down until
I think,
I'm sure it's in there.
you're okay in the slots, but not in the
Uh-huh.
actual clip. Yes.
Haha. I shall push down.
Yes.
That sounded horrific.
Now it's to do the PSU. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
And cables.
Okay.
And it's in there.
Shove it in. Get it.
Fitting a square thing into a square thing. Okay. Perfect.
I mean, it's basically like
It's spring loaded.
it's spring loaded.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We can screw everything in later.
We have the technology.
First, let's just plug everything in, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. I am not, well, I didn't do the CPU pins because that was impossible while being blindfolded. So I took the blindfold off, plugged those in. So it is what it is. I'm not gonna bother with that. What I'm gonna bother with is plugging in the motherboard and our RTX 3070, which is about here. So yeah, let's just do that. And then we should be done. I have already routed these to where they need to be. So this should be easy enough. But that's what I thought about the CPU connectors, and look how that turned out. I have no idea what I'm touching right now. That's RAM.
There will be a RAM stick.
I'm
So it's-
very, oh, there we are.
There we go. There we go.
Huh. Interesting. Quick push. There we go.
Hey.
Well,
Now onto the beautiful
3070
70.
Strix. And I do believe it has two 8-pins. Yep.
It does indeed.
Come on, baby. We can do this.
Come on.
This is much harder than I thought it was going to be.
Cling, 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 cling.
That feels good. Okay. Then we have what?
Now just one more to go.
Oh, this cable management is going fantastic.
You are so close. You are literally one cable away.
So close, but yet so far. And still I'm struggling. Yes! Yes! It is done! It is finally done!
All my
I
blindfolded.
think. Woo!
You can see the excitement on the face.
The dread, more like. Because if this thing does not beat, I'm gonna close my channel. Okay, so we've officially proven that you can build a PC while blindfolded. It's super easy, except it wasn't, because this really sucked to put together. So all that's left to do is to power this thing on and see if the many hours we spent working on it actually paid off. So I'm gonna switch on the power supply, and then Rob,
I'm gonna
would
hit
you please?
the power button.
Hey! We are on. Everything looks good.
I think we're posting.
I think we're fine.
We're good. We're good. Yes. We
Yep.
did it.
We even got the little Thor thing. That's awesome.
awesome.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
It does look gorgeous though. Look at the. Oh wow. So 2070 Strix, huh?
37.
I'm never gonna get used to that. I'm never gonna get used to that. Okay, so I guess that's that.
That's that.
Yeah.
We did it. We built
Yeah.
a full PC in the Helios using the brand new ROG Strix 3070.
Heck yeah.
It was
And,
a fun experience, I think.
Frustrating, peppered with fun.
Okay, well, from the spiritual guide, it was fun. It was really fun to watch you build a PC blindfolded.
Sure. Okay, so I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you want to, get subscribed. Thank you to ASUS for sending all this over and for sending Rob to help me build and do this whole thing. Super appreciated. And if you want to see a full review of the RTX 3070 Strix, stay tuned on the channel. It's either up already or it'll be up. No, it'll definitely be up right now. So go watch it over there or in the description. Anyway, this was fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.